Okay, so this session we have to discuss about the B tree deletion. Before going to this, I am telling that actually this B tree and your B plus tree, B tree and B plus tree, its detail cover in your database management system. Again, okay, in this subject again it detail cover. So that what happen in your data structure, B tree insertion and deletion is there, but what happen, the deletion for insertion and deletion, basically deletion number of cases are there. Okay, number of cases are there, but what happen in a data structure, in the exam no complicated program will be asked, they ask very simple problem so that you can solve easily. Okay, but still I am explaining some different cases of the B tree, only B tree deletion here. Okay, so before go to the B tree deletion, first to understand what is your B tree. As you know, B tree is a balanced MA search tree. Okay, it is a balanced MA, or it's also called as your generalization of binary search tree. Binary search means at most two children. But what is the difference between binary tree and binary search tree? Okay, here node can have more than one key or more than two children value. Okay, so in your binary search tree what happen, we have a key means what is the data. Okay, key means data, having one key or one data, and at most two children is possible. Okay, maximum two children for each key, maximum two children is possible, 0, 1 or 2. But what happen here, we can take more than one key or more than two children value. And second also, that the definition is called, it maintains the data in the sorted order and all the leaf nodes at the same level at any instant of time. If you see what is the B tree, then it maintain a sorted order. Okay, so then you have to remember important things, that is order. What is the order of binary, a B tree? Okay, so this binary search tree is also called as two-way tree. By order is 2. How order is 2? See, suppose I am writing, if M is the order of tree, M is the order of tree, then what happen? The M is the maximum child, or you have to say every node has maximum M children. Okay, every node has maximum F children. That means if I am saying it is two-way tree, that means M equal to 2 or maximum 2 children. Maximum 2 children means it is a binary tree or binary search tree. Okay, so for this, what is the maximum number of key value? Okay, each node has maximum M minus 1 key, or we have to say also data M minus 1. So 2AC, what is the maximum number of key? That is M minus 1 equal to 1. Okay, that means each node contain only one data. Okay, each node contain for one data. For order 2, that is also binary search tree, it contain maximum what? Maximum 2 children, and maximum key is 1. Okay, so similarly if I say it is a three-way tree, that means M equal to your 3, means each node contain 3 children. Each node contain 3 children maximum. And what is the key or data? M minus 1 equal to 2. That means each node contain 2 data value, K1, K2, and 3 children, 1, 2 and 3. This is one children, this is your second children, this is your third children. Okay, so these children also you have to store data, and the maximum value equal to 2. You have to 2 value store from each node, but the maximum children equal to 3 and the maximum key equal to 2. Each node contain 2 key value. Similarly, you have to calculate for 4-way, also the 5-way. Okay, each node having maximum M children and M minus 1 key value. Then what is the minimum children for each node? If it is a leaf node, as you know, leaf node having 0 children, no children are there. If it is root node, then it is 2. It is 2 children. For root node, it is 2 children. But if it is any internal node, then the formula is the minimum key is m by 2 ceiling. Okay, let's example see. If it is a order 5 tree, for a order 5 B tree, what is the minimum number of key of a internal node? We have to calculate 5 by 2 ceiling, it gives 2.5 3. That means the minimum children from order 5 equal to 3. Okay, similarly this is the minimum children we have to know. So if minimum children value is this, then what is the minimum key value? Minimum key value of first root. What is the minimum key value of the root? As you say, minimum children value of the root 2. Okay, here you have to listen. If children equal to m, key equal to m minus 1. If children equal to k1 k2 2, then if key equal to 2, k1 k2, number of children is 1 2 and 3. Okay, that means if the children value equal to m, key value equal to m minus 1, children value equal to 3, key value equal to 2, children value equal to 2, key value equal to 1, key is always less than the children. So here the children, minimum children of the root equal to 2, minimum key value of the root what? That is your 2 minus 1 equal to 1, means root contain minimum 1 children. Okay, minimum 1 children, and maximum it is m minus 1. Similarly, from internal node, if it is children value equal to minimum m minus 2, then what is the, for internal node, minimum key value is your m by 2 minus 1, that is your what is 3 minus 1 equal to 2. Okay, for m order tree, the minimum key value equal to 2. So that thing we have to remember. Suppose MC from a order 5, okay, order 5 B tree, what is the maximum possibility? That is k1. 5 means 5 children, and what is the number of data or key? 4. So I am written here k2, k3, k4. Okay, if it is 4 key or 4 data value, so that it is a 5 link, 1 link, 2 link, 3 link, 4 link, 5 link. So for this 1 2 3 4 5 children are there, 5 order, and what is the maximum key? 1 2 3 4 key are there, that is 5 minus 1 equal to 4. So what is the minimum for this case? Minimum children equal to m by 2 ceiling, that means 3. Okay, minimum children, and minimum key is less, that is k1, 3 minus 1 2, k2. Okay, this is the minimum possibility of a 5 order tree. 2 key are there and 3 children are there. This is the minimum possibility, and this is the maximum possibility of a 5 order. Similarly, you have to calculate from other order tree. So that is very important. We have to check what is the minimum possibility and what is the maximum possibility of a node, so that we perform any insertion and deletion operation. Okay, in the next we have to see how the deletion operation is performed.